Good morning, Year 6. I hope you're all safe and well during this lockdown period. My name's Mr. Roberts and I'm the Head of Mathematics at Oldbury Academy. Really looking forward to seeing you all in September when you start with us in Year 7. Part of what Oldbury Academy have been doing during this lockdown period is just communicating with all parents and students about the sorts of things that you can expect to get when you come to Oldbury Academy. So this short video is going to tell you a little bit about the mathematics department, where it is in school, what you're going to be learning, what you can do during this lockdown period, just to make sure that you're ready to hit the ground running when you come to us in September. The mathematics faculty at Oldbury Academy has got 11 classrooms. It is one of the largest areas in the school for a subject. We do also have 14 members of staff. Please don't worry that you're going to have all 14 members of staff teaching mathematics. During a year, you're most likely to only have one, and very possibly you'll continue to have that teacher throughout your time at Oldbury Academy. The first thing I want to talk to you about is what you're going to be learning when you join us in September. One video from Mr. Creswell you may have already watched will talk to you about assessments and baseline tests. This is something that mathematics will do for you within the first or second week that you return to us at Oldbury Academy. Now, don't worry, you've been out of primary school education for quite some time now. There will be quite a few things that you may not have learned and you may not have been prepared for, ready for when you sat your SATs tests. We will do some refresher lessons at the start of the year, just to make sure the things that you do know, you understand and can do really well before you do that baseline test. Once you've done that baseline test, you'll be set into a group. We have 12 sets in a year group, ranging from A1 down to C4. A1 being the top group, C4 being the lowest group where you may need some extra support. What do you learn at Oldbury Academy during mathematics? You'll learn lots of different things to do with number, to do with algebra, shape and space, data and problem solving. We know that students don't always like various aspects of mathematics, so we will do our very best to make sure that you can do very, very well and make some outstanding progress. When you have maths lessons at Oldbury Academy, you'll use a range of different resources. These resources you can access within the classrooms and also at home, where we subscribe to lots of different resources. The first one that we use, which is what informs our curriculum, our scheme of work, is a system called Pearson Active Learn. This is divided into 3 different groups in Year 7 called Pi, Theta and Delta. Pi being our support scheme of work, Theta being our core scheme of work, and Delta being our higher scheme of work, which you'll follow throughout Year 7, Year 8 and Year 9. Pearson Active Learn comes with textbooks, it comes with interactive resources, which you'll be able to use within lessons and again at home. Regarding your homework, we use a system called MathsWatch, which has virtual online tutor videos which show you how to do topics. Your teachers will set you these homework tasks at least once a week using the school's platform Show My Homework. MathsWatch is a really good tool, as you can independently use it yourself to go and study things that you may not have done already. There was a student in our last year group who completed every single MathsWatch video and activity and scored a grade 9 at their GCSE at the end of year 11. It's a really useful tool, and it's a very good tool to use if you want to learn your mathematics and just get some extra support in things that you don't particularly get very well during a lesson. Another app that you may well use is an app called the Pixel Maths app. This is an app which is very similar to MathsWatch, but it's more accessible on your mobile phone, and it allows you to practice math skills continuously. Once you've completed a question, you can go over it and over and over it again until you get it right. We also use the Pixel Times Table app, very similar to something you may have used at primary school, called Times Tables Rockstars, which we'll be encouraging all Year 7s to start using when they join us in September. There's lots of different materials, as I say, that we do use in mathematics. A full list is available in the mathematics section on the Oldbury Academy website. You've been out of primary school now since the end of March, which sounds like a really, really long time. Hopefully your primary schools have been giving you work and giving you learning opportunities so that you can continue your education throughout the lockdown period. What can you do before you come to us at Oldbury Academy in September? In mathematics, your times tables are crucial, so it's really important that whatever materials you've been using from primary school, that you go and learn those timetables so that you're very, very good at them when you start with us. There's also a very good website called Corbett Maths Primary, where you can go and access topics that you should have learnt towards the end of Year 6 with videos and worksheets that you can also complete. Try not to come to us in September not doing any maths work since March, as that may just put you at a disadvantage when you start with us. It's really important, as I've already said, that you know those times tables really, really well. Something else that will be really, really important is make sure that you know your basic angle rules and also all your properties of 2D and 3D shapes. That is something that you will start to look at when you start your lessons in September, moving into October and the half-term period. On behalf of the Mathematics Department at Oldbury Academy, I do wish that you stay safe and well with your families during this summer break. We really look forward to welcoming you to Oldbury Academy in September. Bye for now.